Hi, and welcome to the 2018 paper 2 of the GeoCert higher level. This is question 8. Now, it's a short enough question, it's only one part to it, or no part to it really. If you want these notes I'm working off again, just email me at shanetroy@gmail.com. That's in the description below, and let's get stuck in. So the line H has a slope of -2. Okay, so I know it's going down, it's negative. It passes through the point 1, 101. Now, pretty big y value. So it's your x value here, y value here. Find how many points on this line have coordinates. So again, a coordinate is an x and a y that are both positive whole numbers. Okay, including the point 1, 101, and then justify your answer. Okay, so I'm gonna I have drawn this out. I'm gonna just go to the answer here actually, because I've used a function grapher to graph that particular equation. Okay, in that I've been given a slope, I've been given a point. Now I haven't been asked for it, but I went ahead and found the equation of the line. So I have the formula. I have my 2 points slotted in instead of the x1, y1, and the -2 instead of the slope. Just worked it out, and I end up with the equation of a line. Now I have it expressed in the slope intercept form. Now I go, okay, the logic here is that's my equation of the line. Now, if you look at the graph, at some stage here, okay, the x values here are going to be negative. So we're not counting them. All the x's are positive in here, and all the y's are positive. But eventually you get to a point down here where, while the x's are still positive, the y's are not. And they wanted both points to be positive whole numbers. So it's only the points in between here. Now there is an infinite number of points in here. Okay, it could be like 1.5, 79 point whatever. Okay, we're not worried about the fractions or decimal parts of any number. We're worried about the whole number itself. Okay, so how many of them? You can start counting them. Okay. But it's fairly hard, and you wouldn't have this graph. I put this in just to help us. But if you use the logic here that at the x-axis, okay, the value of y equals 0. Okay, below that, the value of y is negative. So at that point, okay, y is 0. So we can, our equation of two unknowns, we can put y equal to 0 and just solve for the x value here. So bring the 2x back across to the left, becomes positive. And cross divide the 2, and we end up with 51.5, which would round up to 52, okay? But the 52nd x value on this graph, okay, is down here. So the y value is negative. So we ignore the 52nd, and we round down to 51. Seems counter against all rounding, okay? But we want, the last one to have a positive y value was the 51st x value. The 52nd one has a negative y value, so they're not both positive. So we can't count that one. Now it's a fairly challenging question. You can kind of back work it and work it out if you go slow, but obviously find the equation of the line and then putting it equal to 0 is the faster way. Okay, so that's short and sweet. That's the end of question 8. So see you on question 9.